Good morning. It is race day. It's about 5:45 a.m. Gonna head to Bear Creek to get ready to race. Let's go. All right, we are here at Bear Creek walking into transition. Gonna go get the packet picked up and get everything set up. Let's go. All right, rock it up. Well guys, made a big mistake this morning. Forgot my race belt, but a team member had an extra one, so I'm good to go. Gonna go walk out, check out the swim, do a little warm up, and we'll race soon. All right, doing a little warm up run, getting ready to race. It's a bit chilly this morning, but it should be good race weather. Excited to get this sprint triathlon done. All right, I have finished the Littlefoot Sprint Triathlon. Guys, it was great to be out there racing again. Super happy about how the race went. Started off the swim strong. It was warmer in the water than the air outside, so it felt good at the first part, but then I got a little fatigued in the shoulders. Wasn't great, but pushed on. Went on the first turn, kind of went into the sun, lost my sighting a little bit. It was a little bit hard to sight into the sun, so probably should have worn the tinted goggles, but all good. We made it in, got out on the bike. There was a guy in my age group right before me. I chased him down hard the whole ride, never caught him unfortunately, but had some good paces out there, some great numbers. We're going like 33 miles an hour with 240 watts. I was not expecting to push that out. Anyways, raced hard back in, got on the run, saw that guy I was chasing, passed him a little bit for the halfway point. He tried to go with me, but wasn't able to keep up, which was good because I was putting out some good numbers on the run too. Felt great up until the last like half mile or so where I started to slow down, but we were like in the 6:50 range. Not sure what my final time was on that, but happy. Ran it in, got first in the age group. The guy I was chasing got second, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, it was a great race. Happy to be back out there. And yeah, the next big one's going to be Ironman Canada next August. Hopefully we'll get a few more in before then. All right. All right, we got the bike all loaded up here back on the car, and gonna go walk on back into awards. Happy to grab this one.
In our male 45 to 49, coming in third in 106, Christopher Morgan. Christoph Morgan. Second place in 103, Christopher Weed. And taking the victory in 102, Jared Cocoon.
Thank you. Woo. All right, just walking back to the car. What a fun race that was. Super short, super fast. So happy to be back racing again. Yeah, thanks for following along on this journey. Much appreciated. We'll see you guys on the next one.